Welcome to the party. Colorful weave and your makeup is beating. That's how you act, just like a Barbie. Baby, welcome to the party.
What's up, y'all? What you gotta say? Who's on the video with Makeup Shay? Let me know down below in the comment boxes who you are, where you from. But welcome. You are tuned into Makeup Shay. I'm your girl Shay. Of course, what I do, cuz what's up? But if this is y'all first time liking, commenting, sharing, excuse the dog, you rude as hell, Bella. If this is your first time liking, commenting, sharing anything on my channel, y'all,
yo,
What's up?
welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is an unboxing. I know I should have done this last month, but I just got it in the mail. Like, I don't know what's been going on with the mail recently. I'm guessing because of Christmas. It ain't COVID, because COVID's been here, you know what I'm saying? So it's probably because of Christmas that mine came a little bit late, because y'all already know as soon as I get it, I unbox it and I try it on. But I can't try it on because I already got a full face of makeup. But today's video is my unboxing for my Boxycharm, y'all. So if y'all want to see what I got inside my Boxycharm, make sure you stay tuned. Don't forget, comment, like, and subscribe. Turn on that notification bell so you can be notified every time your girl Shay uploads another video. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so getting into the swing of things, I would usually put on my A&B Lavish lip gloss, but I am wearing a matte lip, so that is not really, you know, for this video. Let me comb this out. God damn, y'all, this wig is something else. I hate it already. Well, I hate it now. It's done. It's done. The wig is done. And this is that Morgan wig, which I have a video out on it if you want to see that. It's pretty old. Well, it's not pretty old, but you know, I will have it in the cards up above. But this is about my Boxycharm. Okay, mine came late, I guess because of Christmas and all that other stuff, and New Year's, and you know, all that good jazz, wildfires and whatnot. So anyway, I already cut it open for the sake of time. You can see the box is pink, red, whatever color you want to call it. It says Boxycharm, hashtag, and @ for their Instagram. This lets you know that it is a base box. If it was premium or luxe, it would probably be like a dark blue or light blue. I can't remember. But anyway, Boxycharm is a $25 a month makeup subscription or skincare. It's just a beauty related altogether subscription box that you get monthly. For $25 you get 5 full-size products, some name brand, some, well, they're all name brand, some is high-end and some are from indie companies. Okay, so Charmers receives specifically curated products from well-known, popular, chic, and up-and-coming brands. They focus on beauty, so that's makeup, skincare, and hair care. It's monthly unless you get the luxe box that comes every 3 months, and it is $25 a month with 5 full-size beauty products, which I have said. The retail value will be up to $125 worth of products, so you get $125 or more worth of product for the low price of $25. So let's get into the box. Okay, so first and foremost, they always have a card. Where's the card? Okay, here's the card. So the card theme for this month's Boxycharm for December is Boxycharm Bubbles and Glitz. Here it is right here. So I'm guessing they're going with the Christmas or New Year's theme. I have no idea. But I got variation 31 in case anybody is interested in knowing what variation I got. Let me see the net weight. The net weight of the box was, I don't know y'all, it don't say. But yeah, let's go into the first product. And I'm not trying these on. I probably will in another video, but in today's video, as y'all can see, I already have a full face on. So yeah, all right, so the first product that we are pulling out is a makeup palette. This is from Artist Couture. This is their Caliente palette. If it's called Caliente, why is it in this month's box and not like the summer themed box? But this is a Caliente. This is an eyeshadow and pressed pigment palette. It has 8 shades in it. Let me see. The retail value is $30. And it says, turn up the heat and get ready to feel the Caliente fantasy. This palette features, hold on, let me show you how the shades. This palette features 5 buttery mattes, 2 richly pigmented metallics, and 1 multi-dimensional high pearl shade. These colors have been carefully curated to design wearable, vibrant, and colorful looks. Transform your eyes with this versatile Glow Getter approved palette. So again, this is Artist Couture. The shades look like this. Hopefully I could get a more close-up view because the mirror is kind of in the way. My lights are kind of in the way. But these are the shades, y'all. So like I said, I don't know why it would be in this box, this month's box, if this month's box is like bubbles and glitz. So I'm not expecting this to be in there because it's like a summer spring themed palette. But anyway, we shall try her out in another video. So as I said, that retailed for $30. So let's pull out the next product. Alright, the next product that we are pulling out is the Yalllll Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer with Kombucha Glow Moisturizer for all skin types. It has kombucha, ginger, and prebiotics. It brightens, nourishes, and hydrates. This has 2 fluid ounces in it. The retail value for this is $49. So it says, reveal a soft lit from within glow with this illuminating prebiotic moisturizer. The lightweight multi-use formula leaves skin hydrated by blurring the looks of imperfections. It can also be used as a primer underneath makeup or applied as a highlighter to enhance the skin's natural radiance. So as I said again, this retails for $48. It looks cute. Looks cute. It reminds me of the Dior foundation. I don't have it, but the packaging reminds me of the Dior foundation. And it says, apply AM to clean skin. If contact with eyes occur, rinse thoroughly. It's a priming moisturizer for glowing skin. So let me see if I could get a nice little swatch or something for y'all. I can see the moisturizing part and I can see the glowing part. So I'm just going to rub it in. And it has some sort of scent. I don't know what kind, maybe like a baby scent. Baby oil, baby lotion scent. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it is right here. And I'm just blending it in. And it is nice and moisturizing, I can tell y'all that. And it has like a goldy tone to it. So yeah, that is that. Alright. And like I said, that retails for $49. Sorry. So we already surpassed what we paid for in the box with that first product anyway. So the next product that we have is from Ofra Cosmetics. This is their pressed banana powder. It says, this innovative matte powder is lightly banana scented and extremely versatile. Use it to conceal dark under eye circles, set concealer and foundation, highlight, or even as a matte eyeshadow. So this is a Boxycharm exclusive. It says so on the card. So this is only for Boxycharm. So this retails for $35. This is what the packaging looks like. And this is the back. Oh my god, it just smells like, oh my god. Banana. I love banana scent. Oh my god, it smells so good. It smells so freaking good. This is what the shade looks like. And it's soft. So that's what that looks like swatched. And on my hand. Oh my god, it smells so good, y'all. This retails for $35, like I said. So yeah, so far no giveaways, no throwaways. So our next product is, what is this? This is the MAC matte lipstick. This is in the shade Candy Yum Yum. See, this is not a New Year's neutral bubbles and glitz type color. This is Nicki Minaj's color, like back in the day, or even now. But it says matte liquid lipstick, matte lipstick. It says Meet Matte Lipstick, the iconic product that made MAC famous. This creamy rich formula features high color payoff and a no shine matte finish. This retails for $19. And as I said, the shade is Candy Yum Yum. I already know this shade is like bright as hell. It's past Barbie pink, okay? This is what the shade looks like. This is like a fuchsia pink, y'all. Let me swatch it for y'all. You got to use this like lightly. And that's the shade right there. I don't even think I would use this, and I swatched it. I could have gave it to one of y'all. Oh well. I could have gave it away because I know I'm not going to use nothing like that. So that would be my only one giveaway, throwaway. So yeah, that was $19. And the last thing that we have in our box is another Luxie. Y'all know I love Luxie brushes. Luxie brushes are so good. So good. They're comparable to the Morphe brushes. I love them so much. So they gave me another Luxie. This is their eye brush set, the Eyeconic set. And it is cruelty-free premium with handcrafted brushes. And it came in this little plastic pouch right here. I'm not going to open it because I'm just not going to open it yet. So it says Luxie Eyeconic Eye Set. What's the first step to achieving the perfect smoky eye, cut crease, or bold cat eye? The right set of brushes. The Eyeconic Eye Set has all the brushes the expert used to create flawless eye looks, from natural and simple to bold and colorful. This retails for $45. It has 5 brushes in it, 5 lovely brushes in it, and I would probably use one. I'll use them all. So this is what the packaging and the brushes look like in the packaging. And yeah, I'm just gonna put that in my little brush container or whatever. So let me see. Okay, so y'all, my whole box from variation 31, the last Boxycharm of the year for December 2020, last one, y'all, this is the last hurrah. Retail came up to $178, y'all, and I only paid $25 for it. So baby girl, I got a lot of free stuff, you know what I'm saying? So that's what I'm saying. If y'all are into makeup and y'all are trying to grow y'all collection, this is the way to do it, sis. Whether you go small like the little Boxycharm base box, or you go big with the premium, or you go bigger with the luxe, you know, you can't lose. You can't lose. Some of it is hit and miss, I ain't gonna lie. Okay, I ain't gonna lie. Some of it is hit and miss, but overall it is a good investment to do if you are trying to grow your makeup collection and you are into makeup. So y'all, I got to smell this again. I got to smell this again, y'all. Whew. Bananas. Okay, so yeah, I got to go. Oh, and so we reuse, you know, recycle, reuse, whatever you want to say. I use these to clean my makeup brushes. So you know, like if you're doing your makeup or whatever, say I'm doing my makeup, oh snap, I want to change colors, but I like this, I like this brush, but I need another color. Sis, look at that, look at that. What's it doing? Taking it off for you, y'all. That's your own DIY color switch, sis. Don't say I ain't never give you nothing for year 2021. I told y'all how to color switch, sis. Color switch. And then you just go on to the next color. But y'all, I love y'all. Thank y'all for tuning in. I really appreciate it. Please make sure y'all subscribe. Make sure you tap that bell. Make sure you tap it to all so you can be notified every time your girl uploads a video, because you do not want to miss what I got coming up 2021, y'all. We got pregnancy vlogs. We got videos, makeup looks. We got what I got for Christmas is coming up. So, you know, stay tuned, y'all. I'll holla. Bye.